Now, some people don't like to have lights on the camera. Some people want to have lights off to the side. That's fine. It doesn't matter. What's worse is when you decide that you're not going to use a light, and the banquet facility turns off all the lights, and suddenly you're just going to be shooting in a situation where you can't see anything. So that's the worst. You might as well just not shoot, because you're not going to have anything that you can use. It's going to be completely dark. So you have to have, if you have to have a light on the camera, that's fine. At least you're getting something you're using. If it's not up to your cinematic expectations, well then, use whatever light you want. Have something off to the side. LED panels are cheap now. It's very easy to do. You can put something off to the side if you want and get great lighting. But at least you have something. You need something because you don't know what the conditions are going to be like. And that light is going to really save all of the dancing footage than if you decide that you're just not going to use anything. There's really no camera I can think of where I'm like, okay, if you don't have any light, it's completely pitch black, it's going to be fine. I really can't recommend anything that would work like that.